You're gonna eat all my meat or eat all my soup.
That's her feet. Yeah?
You want crackers? You want crackers with your soup?
Crackers.